We have learned that in Microsoft Excel, we can either use the plus sign or the sum function to get totals. But do you know when to choose one over the other? If you want to know, I suggest you watch till the end of the video. We know that we can use both plus and sum to get totals. We also know that their primary difference is that plus is an operator, thus it accepts operands on each side as inputs. On the other hand, sum is a function, thus it accepts parameters as inputs. For example, we have the table below, and we want to put the total at the bottom of the column. Utilizing plus, we type On the other hand, using sum, we come up with Observing the result, they are actually equal. What if we change one of the values? We see that the answers are still equal. How about if somebody changed an entry and typed something like we see that the plus is not capable of handling errors on non-numeric entries, thus yielding the value error. How about the sum function? Let's see. We see here that the sum function is more resilient in handling entry errors and evaluate text as 0. Therefore, if we foresee that our table is prone to non-numeric entries and it is not required and not that critical to the result, it is much better to use the sum function. But if each entry is required to be numeric, we may use plus so we can verify if all entries are valid. Another thing that we may try is inserting rows or columns. Let's see. I added a row before the 6th row. Now, let's type a number. We see that with the plus, the inserted row is not automatically included in the formula. While with the sum, since we use cell references to specify our range, it automatically adjusted. Just do not forget that the parameter should be a range, since using commas actually mean that we treat each individually. This behavior can also be observed when deleting rows or columns. While the sum can adjust accordingly, plus would just say reference error. So, finally, when do we use plus and when do we use sum? If you are sure that the structure of your table is static, we can use plus. But if you want flexibility in the number of entries that you can add, use sum. Although it doesn't mean that let us just always use sum because of its versatility. Remember that the plus is an operator and still runs faster compared to a function.
That's it. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, click subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new upload. Till next time and see you soon.